Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are exploring 15 stunning Japanese-style tabletop indoor garden centerpieces designed to elevate your modern living room. These miniature landscapes bring a sense of serenity and organic beauty to any coffee table or side console. If you find these ideas inspiring, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design tips. This centerpiece features a low-profile ceramic bowl filled with vibrant, velvety cushions of moss. Small, weathered river stones are placed strategically to mimic a mountainous landscape in miniature form. The contrast between the deep green textures and the dark stoneware adds a sophisticated touch to a minimalist room. It serves as a living sculpture that requires very little maintenance while providing a calm focal point. A transparent glass vessel allows you to appreciate the intricate root systems of aquatic Japanese plants. Marimo moss balls sit at the bottom, creating a whimsical and spherical underwater forest. The clarity of the water reflects ambient light, making the centerpiece glow against a modern wooden table. This design brings the cooling element of water indoors for a refreshed atmosphere. A singular, well-manicured juniper bonsai is wired to an aged piece of driftwood for a dramatic, windswept appearance. The rugged texture of the wood complements the fine needles of the evergreen tree perfectly. Set in a rectangular handmade clay pot, it embodies the traditional aesthetic of wabi-sabi. This piece tells a story of resilience and time within the confines of your living space. Bring the essence of a dry Zen garden to your tabletop with a shallow wooden tray filled with fine white sand. A few dark, jagged rocks are grouped together to represent islands amidst a sea of raked patterns. You can use a small wooden rake to change the patterns, making it an interactive piece of decor. It promotes mindfulness and provides a clean, geometric look for contemporary interiors. Three varying sizes of Kokedama, or Japanese moss balls, are displayed on a raw slate slab. Each ball hosts a different plant variety, such as a dwarf fern or a small palm, to create height diversity. The lack of a traditional pot gives these plants a floating, organic appearance that feels avant-garde. This arrangement is perfect for those who want to mix traditional techniques with a bold, modern edge. Slender stalks of lucky bamboo are arranged in a dense cluster within a square black lacquer tray. The vertical lines of the bamboo provide a structural element that draws the eye upward. Smooth black pebbles cover the base to secure the stalks and hide the water reservoir. It is an ideal centerpiece for adding a splash of vibrant green to a monochromatic living room. A tall glass bell jar encases a tiny Japanese stone lantern surrounded by delicate microferns. The enclosure creates a self-sustaining ecosystem that looks like a forgotten forest temple. Soft LED lighting can be placed underneath to illuminate the details of the moss and stone at night. This magical centerpiece acts as a conversation starter while maintaining a very tidy footprint. A weathered basalt rock with a natural hollow serves as the vessel for cascading English ivy. The vines drape elegantly over the dark, porous stone, mimicking a waterfall in a mountain gorge. This design emphasizes the beauty of gravity and the softness of foliage against hard surfaces. It adds a romantic yet grounded feel to a modern glass-top coffee table. Succulents are planted in a tiered ceramic vessel that resembles the rooflines of a Japanese pagoda. The fleshy leaves of the plants provide a modern texture that contrasts with the architectural lines of the ceramic. Neutral tones of gray and tan help this centerpiece blend into any color palette seamlessly. It is a hearty option for those who want the Japanese aesthetic without frequent watering. This arrangement uses a kenzan pin frog inside a shallow bowl to hold a few select stems of wildflowers. The focus is on the space between the branches and the natural curve of the stems. By using only a few elements, the centerpiece achieves a powerful sense of balance and intentionality. It brings a poetic and seasonal change to your home decor through simple floral selections. A large piece of red scoria or volcanic rock is used as a base for small epiphytic ferns. The roots tuck into the natural holes of the rock, drawing moisture from a hidden water tray below. The fiery color of the stone provides a warm contrast to the bright green fronds. This centerpiece looks like a tiny prehistoric island resting on your tabletop. A sleek, elongated wooden box is filled with a dense carpet of Japanese sweet flag or mondo grass. The uniform height of the grass creates a clean architectural line that suits ultramodern furniture. No flowers or stones are needed, as the beauty lies in the repetition of the green blades. This is the ultimate choice for a high-end, gallery-like living room feel. A wide, shallow ceramic basin filled with water hosts a single, large lotus leaf and a budding flower. The simplicity of the composition reflects the purity and tranquility often found in Japanese temple ponds. Small floating candles can be added in the evening to create a warm, flickering glow on the water surface. It offers a soft, feminine touch to an otherwise sharp and angular modern room. An intricate, gnarled tree root is repurposed as a planter for air plants and climbing moss. The complex twists of the wood provide endless visual interest from every angle of the room. Because air plants don't require soil, the arrangement remains exceptionally clean and lightweight. This centerpiece bridges the gap between raw nature and refined interior design perfectly. A long stone tray is filled with smooth, multicolored river pebbles and a thin layer of water. Small clumps of aquatic grass and a single dwarf maple tree are positioned to look like a riverbank. This comprehensive landscape brings the entire outdoors into the heart of your home. We hope you enjoyed these ideas. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more.